it's your boy TC the Barber here, back with another haircut tutorial for you. So in this haircut tutorial, I'm going to be doing a high taper in the back, and I'm going to be doing a temple taper in the front. So right here, I'm just going to be combing through the hair, lifting the hair off the scalp, prepping it for my next step. So in this next step, I'm going to be setting my first guideline in with my Andes cordless T-liners. And I'm going to be setting this in right under the earlobe. And it's going to be a straight line from left to the right side of the back nape area. With my Wahl's Magic Clips, I'm going to be setting my next guideline in up about an inch and a half, a half inch, and setting it in nice and neat. With the lever all the way closed, I'm going to be blending out this first line you see here. With the lever halfway open, and I'm going to continue to fade up under the line that you see here. And what I'm doing, I'm just going up to the line and just flicking out to get that nice smooth look. And I'm adjusting the notch all the way open now. And I'm continuing to stay up under the line that you see there. I'm not going to go past that line because I'm going to come back with a one guard with the lever all the way open to create my second guideline. So right here, as you can see with my Wahl's Magic Clip, with the one guard all the way open, and setting in my next guideline about a half inch. Now I'm coming back with my zero guard up under the 1.5 guard open guideline. And as you can see, I'm fading out this line here with the lever all the way closed. And continue to fade, taking my time. Right here, adjusting the lever to half. Right now I'm coming in with my 1.5 guard all the way open, and I'm going up another half inch. And right now I'm going up to the hair and I'm flicking out. My clients still want to keep the shape in the back, so I'm going up and scooping out. Now I'm coming back with my one guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm flicking at that line that I created with the 1.5 guard all the way open. I adjust the notch up just a little bit from close and just attacking that line that you can see there. And as you can see, it's starting to come together in the back. Also in the small areas of the head, I like to use the corner of my blades, as you can see right here. So right now, as you can see, I got the lever all the way closed, and I'm gonna continue to fade until I get that smooth transition at the bottom. Adjusting the notch to half, and just attacking that line. As you can see, those dark spots is the spots that I'm blending out, and I want this fade to be as smooth as possible. Right here with the 2 guard, with the lever all the way closed. And right now, this technique, I'm going into the hair, and as you can see, the hair that I see through the teeth is the hair that I'm cutting. I don't want to go into the fade. I don't want to go into the hair. I just want to come in and scoop out, because you want to keep that same shape. And then my next step, I'm going to come back with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be fading down. So with the 1.5 guard all the way open, I'm just fading downward because I don't want to take the fade up too high. So the technique I use to fade down to keep the fade right where I want it to be. So in this next step, I'm just going to be lining his back up. What I normally do sometimes, I would do the whole cut and then line it up. So I figured since I'm back here, I'm going to go ahead and line it up and get those lines nice and crispy. With the Babyliss Gold FX, these are some of the best clippers on the market. And another thing I like about these, you don't have to modify them or anything. They come out the box sharp. So all you have to do is adjust them to the sharpness that you want to have the clippers at. Right here, with my magic clips with the lever all the way open, and I'm creating my first guideline in the temple area. So with the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and as you can see, I'm fading as I go up, so I'm not really creating any lines. I'm basically taking the line out that I put in with the lever, with the magic clips with the lever all the way open with the no guard. Right now I'm just cleaning up behind the ears, and I'm just doing some freehand work, going into the hair and flicking out. Taking my time, keeping it consistent, and just knocking out those lines in those dark spots that you can see. Finessing the fade with the corner of the blade. And the reason why I like using the corner of the blade, like I said, because in those small areas you don't want to use the whole blade, because you might take off too much. So those small areas are easy to use the corner. So right here with my 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and the same technique, I'm going up to the hair and then I'm flicking out. Coming back with my 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm continue to fade up under the 1.5 guard. As you can see, those dark spots, and I'm just want to hit those areas to get it nice and smooth. And adjusting the lever a notch and just keeping the fade consistent, flicking out. And this client hair grows in different directions, so what I'm doing right here, I'm just cutting it the way it grows. So this next step, I'm going to speed it up, and all I'm doing here is just repeating the same steps that I did to the right side of the head to the left side of the head. So right here, I'm going to go in and attack this line right here, starting in the middle of the head, and I'm going to trace it across to the left side and to the right side of the head. I don't know about for other barbers, but for me, I like to take my time on my hairlines just because I feel like they're the most important part. And I just like to keep the lines nice and crispy. I'll say the fading and the hairline is probably the best part of the haircut, to me at least. I mean, the haircut is nothing without a tight line, without a tight lining. So you definitely want to have that lining real nice and tight. So as you can see, this guy, I'm keeping this line as natural as possible, not pushing it back. I'm just tapping at it. Respect the process, baby. Respect the process. So as you can see right here, I'm giving them that nice C cup. And he likes his sideburns pointy. So I'm gonna give him that ice pick at the end. And as you can see, I'm finessing this lining, man. I'm finessing it. And as you can see, putting that line on that fade is already starting to look really nice. I mean, the hairliner, man, really is like it's like the period at the end of a sentence. You know what I mean? You can't finish a sentence without putting a period there. So this is right here. I guess this is what I'm saying. This is my period, the lining. The most important part. I cannot stress, get this right the first time. And I'm going to speed this up, and like I said, I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did on the left side to the right side. And as you can see, the cut is coming together, man. I think I did a really decent job. Well, really nice job is what I think. So by the end of this cut, man, like and subscribe. You know, this is my second tutorial, and I'm gonna keep bringing these videos to you, man. The more I do it, the better I get, for sure. And here's the cut. TC the Barber. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Check me out.